just got back from Let Me Repair. This has happened 5 or 6 times since it came back.